So let's start unboxing it. The packaging looks really good. Let's take the keyboard outside of the packet. This is the laser projection virtual keyboard, guys. The box is really good. It is compatible with Android, iOS, Windows and even BlackBerry smartphones. So let's see the features of it. So these are the features. It features a full-sized QWERTY keyboard. It even has a mouse function. It has Bluetooth connection. It has a portable design and a built-in battery. It is compatible with almost all the devices. So it has a device, a USB cable, and there's a manual in it. That's what's inside the box. So let's cut open the tape and unbox it. Oh, it can be even used on gaming consoles. The layout of the keyboard is shown on the box. This is how the layout of the virtual keyboard looks like. And this is how the actual unit looks like, the laser projection keyboard. So let's cut open the tape and take the laser projection keyboard out. Here we go. Oh, it's so small. It's tiny. Let's take it out. Oh, there's a, what is this? There's a book. Oh, it's a user manual. We'll go through it later. Let's keep it aside. And this is the USB cable, which is used to connect to the PC, or maybe it's used for charging. So these were the things in the box. Let's take the projection keyboard out of it. Wow, the build quality is really good. It looks premium. It has a nice metal and black design going on, and at the back it has a nice matte finish. And this is a power button, and this is the USB port. I can't wait to use this laser keyboard, but before that, let me check out the manual to know how to use this keyboard. Let's see the manual. So this is the manual. So these are the contents. Product overview. This projection keyboard works via Bluetooth connection, guys, and it can be connected to devices like tablets, PCs, smartphones, desktops and even video game consoles. That's really nice. So this is how it works, guys. This is the projector, and that's the sensor which senses the finger movement, and the IR light goes like this. And these are the conditions you need to avoid. Avoid direct sunlight, avoid low color temperature light source. Okay, avoid uneven or irregular surfaces. Product features. It features a QWERTY keyboard layout. So this is the front view. Oh, that's the sensor, the keyboard pattern projector. Okay, this is how you connect via Bluetooth. And yeah, you can even adjust the brightness and sound feedback. So there are 5 levels of sound. There's a mouse mode in it. You can use it as a mouse, and these are the gestures. So that was it. This was the manual. Now we're gonna have a quick hands-on with this laser projection virtual keyboard. Let's power it on to see if it has some juice in it. Yeah, it powered up. So this is the keyboard, guys, the virtually projected laser keyboard. Oh, it makes nice beeping sound whenever you click on a button. That's awesome. Let's have a quick look at the laser projection keyboard module. This is the actual sensor which tracks your finger movements, and this is a keyboard pattern projector, and these are the 2 LED indicators which indicate the status of your device. Blue indicates the Bluetooth status and red indicates the battery status. And this is the IR light. Let's power it up now. I'm gonna connect it to my Android phone now. It's very easy to connect. Just go to your Bluetooth settings and pair them. Scan for your device. You can see the laser projection keyboard. Now pair with it. The blue light on the device indicates that it is searching for a device to be connected with. laser projection keyboard has been connected with the phone. The light also has gone. You can see the blue light stopped blinking. Now let's see, does this thing really work? Let me adjust it so that you can watch it clearly. Okay, let's type something. Oh, it opened up the Google search. Wow, it's really working. Let me type in something. Hi viewers. Did you see that? It's working perfectly. Wow, that's awesome. Laser projection keyboard. Let me type in that. Enter. That's awesome, man. It's really working. This tech is so cool. And make sure you're using this on a flat surface to get accurate results. You can even change the brightness and the key level sounds, which I'm going to show you later part in the video. Now let's connect this laser projection keyboard to an iPhone. I'm going to connect this to my iPhone 6 Plus and see how it works. It's very simple to connect. You can connect it using Bluetooth. Just pair them up. You can see the laser projection keyboard. That's it. They got connected. Now let's test out the keyboard. And also guys, make sure that nothing is obstructing the projection. Let me type in something. Yeah, it's working perfectly. This is actually crazy. This is an amazing experience, guys. Now let's see the other features of this laser projection keyboard. Using this function button, you can change the brightness of the keyboard. Function plus up increases the brightness and function plus down button decreases the brightness. You can even change the level of the feedback sound using this function button. Just press the function button plus left or right to increase the level of the sound. It's really a nice feature, you can reduce the sound. There's even a feature to use it as a mouse. Just press the mouse button and you can see there's a mouse on my screen. You can even use it as a mouse. It's really nice feature. I'm gonna give a quick demo of how it works as a mouse. There are a lot of gestures in this mouse button. You can use these two fingers to scroll up or down. If you press with the two buttons, it acts as a right click. It's actually really good. So that was the unboxing and hands-on with the laser projection virtual keyboard, guys. It's an awesome gadget and is so much fun to play with.